You're not living. You're being lived. The dark truth of a programmed life. 1. The illusion of choice. You wake up and scroll, eat and work, scroll again. But ask yourself, when did you last make a choice that was truly yours? Not suggested by a trend, not pushed by an algorithm, just a choice made by your soul. What if you're not living your life, but being lived by it? That's not science fiction. That's your daily reality. Hey, the world of simulacra. Philosopher Jean Baudrillard warned us, we now live in a simulation. Not a literal matrix, but a copy of reality. We chase filtered lifestyles, likes, and status, forgetting truth. We post curated happiness, wear borrowed thoughts, and believe illusions. This is the age of the simulacra, a world where representation replaces reality. 3. The eternal loop. Nietzsche's eternal return dares to ask, would you be content if this day repeated forever? Your routines, your scrolling, your silent despair? Is it a life or a loop? This isn't a curse, it's a mirror. The loop exists because we've stopped questioning our movement. We think motion means progress, but maybe it's just programmed repetition. 4. Hijacked by dopamine. Technology today doesn't just steal your time, it rewires your brain. Apps are designed not to inform you, but to addict you. Dopamine spikes from likes, swipes, reels, not because they matter, but because they manipulate. You are rewarded for attention given away. You trade freedom for flickers of synthetic pleasure. Chapter 5. Absurdity and Resistance. Albert Camus showed us the absurdity of life, that we seek meaning in a universe that offers none. But he didn't surrender. He said, in the face of absurdity, rebellion is meaning. Sisyphus, condemned to roll a stone forever, finds meaning in the push. Likewise, we must find meaning not in outcomes, but in defiance. To live consciously is rebellion. 6. The they-self. Heidegger exposed a haunting truth. Most people don't live as themselves. They live as they want them to. The crowd, the culture, the trend. They eat what's popular, believe what's viral, desire what's advertised. Their self is an echo of society. And yet breaking free requires only one thing, awareness. To be truly yourself is the greatest resistance. 7. The price of numbness. The system doesn't kill you. It sedates you. We're not oppressed by force, but by comfort. We confuse convenience with truth, likes with love, scrolling with thinking. And the result? Loneliness, burnout, anxiety. We have everything but feel nothing. Surrounded but disconnected. The cost of numbness is aliveness. To reclaiming the self, but some step out. They turn off the noise. They stare into silence. They ask questions algorithms can't answer. What do I believe? What do I want? What am I becoming? These questions are seeds. From them, a real life grows. Not copied, not borrowed, not programmed. 9. The final awakening. You are not content. You are not a product. You are not their data. You are a voice, a breath, a question, unrepeatable, unpredictable, unprogrammed. Rip off the filters. Speak what scares you. Choose what's yours. Because to live freely, even briefly, in a world built to control you, is the ultimate rebellion.